Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can check your storage of your device, of your computer, and how you can manage that. If you want to create a new drive, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to click on this PC, and after clicking on this PC, you need to click on the show more. And after clicking on that, as you can see, you will see the option of the manage. So you have to click on the manage, and after clicking on the manage, you have to click on the disk management. So as you can see, has the option disk management. So you have to create on this. So after clicking on this, as you can see, here the disk management option. So you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, you will see your all the storage drives will be here. So as you can see, the C drive is here. So as you can see, my all drives are here, like the C drive and the freelance drive, all are provided here. If you want to create a new device, if you want to create a new drive, you can also create that. So as you can see, has the 30 GB unallocated space. So I'm gonna do, I'm going to click on this. So let's click on, and here's the option, the new simple volume. So we have to click on this, and now click on the next. Now click on the next again, and next again, and next, and finish. And as you can see, the new drive is the new drive is created with the name of app. So in this way you can create a new drive. So let's go back and open this PC. And so as you can see, the new drive is here, 21 GB drive. So in this way you can create a new drive and check your storage. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a new drive and check your storage. So see you guys in the next video.